India. It's one of the most prestigious magazines और 10 सालों से 12 सालों से मैगजीन चली आ रही है और पहली बार कोरियोग्राफर को कवर पे लाया गया. इट इज़ वंडरफुल. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि मेरे लिए डांस के 3 मतलब होते हैं. 3 E's of dancing. One is entertainment, one is education and one is to enlighten. So ये तीनों पर्पस जो हैं डांस के सॉल्व होते हैं और एनलाइटन के साथ जुड़ना through my meaning of dance, it's very very special for me and I am really thankful to you, Mr. Mehta. Thank you.
क्या कहना चाहिए एक सर तो कमर पे लेने के क्या प्लान्स थे, कैसे ऑन आया, कैसा उस बारे में? 11 साल से अपनी मैगजीन्स चल रही है और जिसने बताया कि संदीप जी से बात कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं, काफ़ी टाइम से फ्रेंड्स हैं. बहुत सारे इवेंट्स किए, बहुत सारे साथ में हम लोग ने ट्रैवल किए, लेकिन एक बोलते ना एक स्पॉट मिल नहीं रहा था कि कैसे करें. और ये लॉकडाउन में हम लोग इतने क्लोज आए और उनके जो फिलैंथ्रोपीज, उनके जो सोशल कॉज, उन्होंने जो सी हैज गिवन बैक टू द सोसाइटी. तो आई सेड के ही इज़ अ मल्टी टैलेंटेड मैन, ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड सोल. और मैंने बोला कि संदीप जी अगर आप कहीं शूट करा ले तो चलो हम लोग जनवरी न्यू ईयर में हम लोग ये हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करें. इट वाज लाइक अमेजिंग एनी टाइम बिकॉज हम लोग में रिलेशंस ऐसी है ना कि इट इज़ लाइक ही इज़ एनलाइटन इंडिया, आई एम संदीप सुपरकर, वी आर लाइक वन. मगर ये सोच ही नहीं आई थी, लेकिन बोला कि 2021 जनवरी में हम लोग ये बिगिनिंग करें एंड वी हैड अ वेरी गुड शूट विथ आकाश एंड देन वी प्रोजेक्टेड. इंटरव्यू भी इतना लंबा चला, वी हैड टू कट डाउन ऑन सो मेनी थिंग्स बिकॉज देयर वर सो मेनी एस्पेक्ट्स. लेकिन मैं बोला कि संदीप जी हम लोग को सबकी सब चीज़ बतानी है, आपकी जर्नी बतानी है. आप आरजे थे, आप यहाँ किए, आपने बॉलरूम इंट्रोड्यूस किया, आपने लैटिन स्टे किया, आपने डांस फॉर द कॉज किया, आपने अवार्ड मिला.
Enlighten India is a publication that shares information, opinion, insight. It reaches from topics like current affairs, places, people, music, entertainment, fashion, world, and the list can just go on. And that's why Enlighten India is one of the country's leading magazines. Let me take this opportunity to invite on stage the chairman of Enlighten India magazine, Mr. Mitesh Mehta. Can we have a round of applause, please? So, something about the magazine, please.
Good evening, friends. I would like to invite Sneha, who is our content head, to speak about the magazine. Sneha, please. And insights into current affairs, places, people, as she mentioned, and the world of fashion and entertainment. I think our Enlighten India chairman, Mitesh Mehta, and my core team have been very objective, candid, and transparent in the magazine. We at Enlighten India have conducted cover stories and interviews that appeal to the masses, and hence we have ensured that our target audience is not limited to a specific age group. We have very optimistic and positive look in our future. We are associated with 45 colleges and universities in Mumbai. Yeah, so and we are also proud to say we are associated with Mumbai Police since 2011 as their magazine media coverage center. Short brief, but thank you so much for taking the bites. Thank you so much. I'll hand it over to Ankita.
So, I'll take one more minute of yours. So, can I have Sandeep sir on stage, please? Okay, so my question to you would be, I believe it's been, the magazine's been into the limelight since 2010, yes? And in so many years, it's never been the case that a dancer or a choreographer has been on the cover. So why did you choose Sandeep Suparkar to be on its cover?
I should not say so. Don't record. But I have never found someone so dynamic, so animatic. Anyway, Enlighten India is very proud to have featured the most enigmatic and energetic, passionate and powerful, sparkling and striving to excel, vibrant and vigorous, high-powered and hard-hitting on floor, with virtues of being kind and soft-hearted. Yes, with virtues of being kind and soft-hearted to one and all, our own dance maestro, Sandeep Soparkar ji. He has a very motivational journey that is inspiring masses in all ages. He has received overwhelming support in promoting awareness of ballroom and Latin dance in India. So it's really commendable, Sandeep. Dance for a Cause is his pet project performed worldwide. His contribution towards the society as a philanthropist is commendable. It is a very prestigious recognition for all Indians. Yeah. He is the first Indian dance choreographer to represent India at Cannes Film Festival. India is proud. He is also the receiver of the Yodha Award, being the latest ones, in addition to many national and international awards gathered in his journey in multi-dimensional arenas. So wish you more success and peace. Love you, Sandeep ji. Thank you so much, friends, for getting us featured, and we love him, and we would like to feature him again and again, and hope our relations with the media, with the celebrities, with PRs and everyone. We thank each and every one of you. In fact, even the roots of India, the manager and the marketing head and the owner. Thank you so much. I'll hand it over to.
Thank you so much, sir. And Sandeep sir, I'll call you again. I'll keep the media waiting before we talk to you. Thank you.
Like they've grown 1,000 plus plants with, with so much of love. So each and every person coming here inherits a lot of positivity. And this is placed in Times Square. And I'm very, very happy to be here on behalf of my dear friend Sandeep Soparkar as well. I know Sandeep since over 18 to 20 years now. And it's a great privilege to represent Roots of India as well as my dear friend Sandeep. Thank you so very much.
Well, good evening, everyone. Yes, Enlighten India is, of course, very, very special. I have always believed that dance to me means three things. 3 E's of dancing, like I call it. One is entertainment, which we all know about. One is education. हम लोग सीखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं dance. And one is enlightenment. Enlightening. That's why I think Enlighten India is so special to me. हम लोग शुरुआत जब डांस की करते हैं, हम लोग शुरुआत करते हैं मजा मस्ती के लिए, just to have fun, to see something which is entertaining for us. फिर slowly उसमें हमें शिक्षा मिलती है, और जब वो शिक्षा एक लेवल पे पहुंचती है, तब होता है enlightenment, तब होता है Enlighten India. And that is why I say Enlighten India, the magazine, and what I feel for dance is so much together. And when I was told to be on the cover, I felt really privileged because I felt पूरी dancing की journey है, वो life comes in circles, dance moves in circles as well. So I think that's what made it very, very special. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now is the time. Should we unveil the cover? Already? But एक ऐसी चीज संदीप सर के इवेंट में हमेशा होती है जिसके बिना इवेंट अधूरा होता है. Who's gonna say that? Can we ask him for a dance, please? Come on. So I would request you to please show us little moves of ballroom dancing, and to accompany you, we have the stunning Sheila Perucci. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all move them on stage. So I leave the stage to you. Ladies and gentlemen, Sandeep Soparkar and Sheila Perucci and her magic with dance. Music. We need a little bit more of cheering. Come on. Taaliyan nahi bajegi. 1.5 years.
सोचा था हाँ तो
cover and